Okay, just doing a little before and after video. This is before. It hasn't been painted down here yet. Pretty dark colors on dark brown, got a dark gray blue up near the front. It's a brownish color, and you got a really deep purpley color in the background. And taking most of the things down right now. And it's going to be painted. The color is called Dove Gray, and it's going to go up the stairs as well. And here's our finished after. As you can tell, it looks 100% better with the nice lighter colors compared to the dark, deep, rich colors and deep furniture pieces and all the extra clutter. I think it took about 4 gallons of paint, took the painter about 3 days, cost about $1,200. And then that with my staging, this house sold immediately.